You're gonna find some really great gift ideas for the art lovers in your house. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and today's giveaway video is sponsored by Bright Stripes, where you get to choose your prize if you should win the giveaway. Throughout the month of November, we're doing the holiday gift guides, and we've been through a whole bunch of them already. Make sure you go watch those to see what else is up for grabs. And then I'll be announcing the giveaway winners after Thanksgiving, so you'll definitely wanna watch to see if you've won. But right now, let's talk about these really great goodies. Let's start off with Art on the Go. This is a cut and create activity pad. They're recommending it for ages 4 and up. And there's 25 pages inside of here, plus you get a little set of scissors that's great for left or right hands. So this one has 15 different cutting projects, and you can decorate and assemble them with all of the stickers that come inside. There's 204 stickers. And then as you go through the book, it's going to increase by skill level. iHeartArt, they donate 5% of the profits from these products to Art Feeds International. They are a nonprofit that supplies art lessons, training, and art materials to kids in need. It's a really cool thing to know when you purchase something like this that you are giving back. So this starts off with straight lines. When you're learning how to cut, you have to learn how to use your scissors, but it's much easier to start with straight lines first. So they have projects per page. We have the watch here, a ruler, a bookmark, and a bracelet, a couple different projects, and you have instructions here that show you how to cut, decorate, and assemble. Every project is set up to make something. So here is a butterfly that you can make. This is like a chain. It's called Hugs and Kisses Snake. So you cut out the pieces into strips. There's dotted lines, and that will make a paper chain when you put it all together. Here is the head for the snake, because that chain was the body. There's even a little tongue there that you can cut out. And as you go through, you'll start getting to more complicated cuts. So here we have the curved line. Curved lines is your next step after your straight lines. And then we have wavy lines, and then we have both combined with the straight, and you're getting more progressively challenging as you go along to increase your cutting skills. What's also really cool to note about these projects is that there are little notches here to get you started. It kind of shows you where to start your cut and then how you can move around the object to cut it. And that little piece is on every single image that they have in here. Just makes it a little bit easier. And at the very end, you'll find all of the sticker sheets on here too, and you can use all of these stickers to decorate everything that you've made. It divides it out per project. This is going to be like hours of fun putting these together and cutting them out. And the concept that you're actually making something with what you cut, I think, is an added bonus. Who doesn't love this series? This is a magic reveal pad with water brush, and it's recommended for ages 3 and up. The water brush is right here on the top, and you can just open it up by taking it like this. I've already pre-filled it with some water. The water just goes right inside the barrel. This has 5 pictures to color, and this is your no mess pictures. Yeah, there's a little bit of water, but it's not going to get you, soaked or anything. As you decorate this with water or use the paintbrush with the water, the picture reveals itself. And so now you have a completed picture once you've used the brush. And it's really fun and relaxing to do too. Love this. Then once this is done and you give it some time, it's going to dry. So we've got 5 different ones here, all different themes as you go through the entire book. This is a great travel activity or take with you activity where it's not going to create mess. Take it to a restaurant or in a car ride or plane ride. And then when it's dry, you can do it over again. Look how vibrant the pictures are too. Here we have the Sparkling Aspirations art journal. This is a 24-piece kit recommended for ages 6 and up. This is also part of the iHeartArt donation. So the profits on this will also go to that nonprofit organization, Art Feeds, so you can provide those training materials. Inside of here, you get 7 gel pens, a sheet of foil stickers, stencil, 5 project pages, 10-page paper pad, and a techniques guide. And it's really cool because it all fits inside this little folder here, and you can open it up and keep your materials all together. We have the pens over here in all the different colors, and then your stencil stickers, your inspiration techniques guide, and then your pages. So these pens are going to be working on your black paper, so you can create some really fun designs. They have examples and guided instructions here to give you ideas on where to start. Here it's talking about different lettering. We have different patterns on this page. There's little journal sparks at the bottom of the pages. For example, this one says draw in a continuous line without picking up your pen. There are little blurbs up here at the top that also talk about feelings. So this one is talking about feeling frustrated, sad, or lonely. And then there's like an inspirational message in here about what to do in those kinds of situations. And then this has another journal prompt. So each page has something a little bit different other than just here's how to draw. This one says use a fun font from the typography page. or your own, write your name in the center of the page, and use the stencils and stickers to create shapes around your name. And then there's also these blank pages at the very end to create your own. Really cool take on a journal that combines art and emotions and comes with all the supplies, and you can keep it all together. This is the Printmaking Studio, and it's recommended for ages 8 and up. This one has 20 reusable sticker stencil designs. There's 4 colors of inks. We got pink, orange, yellow, and a bronze. It's like a metallic bronze, a plastic squeegee, and then you get some projects like a pillowcase with a pillow insert. There's 4 canvas postcards, 2 canvas posters, a roll of masking tape, and then an instruction guide. So this is a printmaking kit to personalize everything. So you just apply the sticky stencils to the garment or the pillowcase that's included. You can put on tote bags or canvases, and then you take the ink and glide it across. You can even use 2 or more inks to create an ombre effect. Here are some of the stencils that are included. We have a really cool moon and a sunburst. This looks like a jewel in a really pretty floral design, butterflies and sparkles, and then some sayings here. You could definitely layer some of these and use different colors, or you can just use the one simple design. That's a little smiley face that's dripping. We have our butterfly, all kinds of different ones to choose from. Oh, I like this one too with the flowers. That would look really cute on a t-shirt. If you'd like to enter this giveaway, first of all, make sure you're subscribed to the Purple Alphabet YouTube channel. Then you can go to the link down in the description box to officially enter to win. You must be 18 years of age or older and have a US postal address, and you get to pick which prize if you're the winner. So anything I've shown you in this video is up for grabs. If you haven't seen all the past Purple Alphabet videos, definitely go watch those, and there's still more coming. You guys, I will see you in the next one.